Welcome to my channel where today we're making a delicious and easy chocolate custard dessert using just 6 simple ingredients. This recipe is perfect for any chocolate lover, and the best part is that you can decorate it in so many ways. Whether you want to add some whipped cream, fresh berries, or even some chocolate shavings, this dessert is sure to impress. So let's get started and make some creamy and decadent chocolate custard. To a pot or saucepan on medium heat, add 2.5 cups of full cream milk. To this, add 3 tablespoons of Milo and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix and allow this to come to a boil. In a separate bowl, add half a cup of full cream milk. And then to this, add 3 tablespoons of custard powder. And using a good brand always works. Mix these 2 ingredients together and leave aside. Once the milk, Milo, and cocoa mixture on the stove comes to a boil, add in the custard mix and keep whisking. After adding the custard mixture, immediately add half a cup of sugar. And then also add in 250 ml of dessert cream. Whisk this and keep stirring to avoid any lumps. You will notice that the liquid mixture will start to get thicker. Once thick, pour into dessert bowls and place in the refrigerator for about 1 hour to set. When set, remove from the refrigerator and decorate as desired with either chocolate shavings, fresh cream, and berries. And there you have it, a lovely thick chocolate custard that's perfect for any occasion. The combination of rich chocolate and creamy custard is simply irresistible, and the fact that you can decorate it in so many ways makes it even more special. Just imagine digging your spoon into that velvety smooth custard, savoring the rich chocolate flavor, and feeling it melt in your mouth. It's the ultimate indulgence that will make you drool with every bite. So what are you waiting for? Give this recipe a try. And as always, don't forget to connect with me on my social media profiles, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next vlog.